Troubleshooting iPhone message deletion problems.
Hello, iPhone users. Today, we're tackling an issue that some of you might have encountered: issues with deleting iPhone messages. It can be frustrating when your messages don't delete as they should, but don't worry, we're here to help you figure out what might be causing this problem and how to fix it.
Are you using the correct method to delete messages?
Let's start with the basics. To delete a message, you typically swipe left on the message and then tap the red Delete button. However, if you're having trouble, it might be that there's a temporary glitch or you're not doing it the right way. To ensure, try to hold down the message you want to delete and then tap More. After that, you'll see a trash bin icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on that and then tap Delete Message.
Is your device storage full?
The next thing to check is your device's storage. If your iPhone is running low on storage, it might prevent you from deleting messages. To check your storage, go to Settings, General greater than iPhone storage. If it's almost full, try to delete some unused apps or files to free up some space.
Is there an issue with your message history settings?
Another common issue might be your message history settings. If your settings are set to keep messages forever, it could potentially cause a problem. To check or change this setting, go to Settings, Messages, Keep Messages, and change it to 30 days or 1 year.
Are you experiencing a software glitch?
If none of the above methods work, there might be a software glitch on your device. In such cases, resetting all settings might help. To do this, go to Settings, General, Reset all settings. Remember, this won't delete your personal data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords, so use this as a last resort. So there you have it. These are some common issues that could be causing problems with deleting messages on your iPhone. Try these troubleshooting steps and hopefully, they will help resolve your problem. If you're still experiencing issues, you might want to consider contacting Apple support. Thanks for watching, and here's to hassle-free iPhone usage.